Okay, so now Irene makes a second batch of 3 1/4 cups of pancake batter. She wants to know how much more batter she made in the first batch. She estimates that the difference between the sizes of the two batches, that would be 4 2/3 minus 3 1/4, is 2 1/12. Explain why this is not a reasonable estimate. It tells you right here, let me make it red, that is not the right answer, and it wants to know why. Well, earlier when we were looking for a reasonable answer, we rounded. Let's go ahead and do that. We're going to round to the nearest benchmark fractions. We'll start with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close enough. And here are your benchmark fractions at a half. So if we start at 4 2/3, which is here, and we want to go back 3 1/4. So we're going to go from here to, that's 1, 2, 3, and a little bit. So over here somewhere. And here it says Irene thinks that this is going to be this red dot right here, this one. She thinks it's over here at past 2, at 2 1/12. We'll make that a blue dot. So there's a big difference between where the red dot is and where she thinks it should be. And explain why that estimate is not reasonable. So 2 1/12 is not far enough away. That would be to the left from 4 2/3. Period. It should be, and then you try and name where this is. This is 2. This is 1 1/2. It should be less than 1 1/2. And we got a little scribbly there at the end. But that does help to explain the thinking behind our number line. And the 3 large hops here backwards is subtracting 3 whole numbers from 4. And where it leaves you, based on the number line, is significantly less than 2 1/12, which is why her estimate is not reasonable. And that's how you do that.